Open the can. Do it. Nope, he hears the can.
The can is open. And my finger got stuck in the little pull tab.
Did it really?
Yeah.
He turns his whole body to head flick on that one.
Good job, Moo. Body flicker.
Body flicker?
Body flicker.
That's...
Yeah.
That's a new one.
Yeah, do it up, Moo.
She checks her cabinet. He's got the balls going today.
Good boy. What a good boy.
They're just in each other's face. Boo boo. He hears the can he licks. Mom, mom, mom. Yes, his mouth is fine, I swear. He's been to the vet multiple times.
And the vets think he's adorable.
They do. They can't get enough of him. It's just funny. Daisy's the one that's missing half of her teeth, and people are, is his mouth okay?
Actually, here on Planet Moo, we're not actually allowed to question the strength of his mouth.
Yeah, chew right in her face. Oh, that was similar. Moo, do it. He does it. Do you chew? Moo, chew, 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 chew.
Chewy mooey.
Chewy, mooey, go. Whoa, he really chewed on that one.
Good job, Moo.
What sound was that? Yes, his mouth is fine, I swear. He's just standing. Nice one.
Moo, give the fridge a 1-2 punch. Good, Daisy.
Oh no, hon, you're a failure.
Oh no.
Actually, I don't know. Did you do this or her?
Probably. No, I wouldn't blame her. It's probably my fault.
You get blamed. How you doing, Boo Boo? He's gotta go back to his lick plate. This isn't working. His tail's all puffed up. Boo Boo, I have no words for you. None.
Boo-boo. Ouchie boy.
Ouchie boy, ow ow, it hurts. Guys, let me know below your favorite part of the Moo routine.
Oh, please do.
Try to get a bit spicy with it, you know? Say something that we might not expect. That someone might not expect. Get a little spicy.
No one will expect.
Boy, 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 boy. Say some... And she bit the bowl. She's biting the bowl. Why are you like that? Get in here. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, goodbye, everybody.
Dude, the bowl's only shaped like a fish.
Oh,
Goodbye,
no, no,
everyone.
no, no, no.